So we're back to Black Friday store where everything's $15 on Fridays, except for clothes. For some reason it's $5. And yeah, there's a lot of people in here. Some people literally wake up at 4 in the morning just to make line. Basically Black Friday, but every Friday on the week, which I'm not gonna be waking up that early. But once we're in, it's game time. And the secret to this is not being like, oh, I don't know if it's worth it. Should I take it? Just put it on the bag, man. You can literally check it out later. We were literally having the worst luck ever. Only found a tripod, some cool glasses, and I don't know what this is. That guy literally got 3 fans there. Like, bro, what you gonna do with them? But then we started finding some pretty decent stuff. Some Philips Hue lights, some decent electrician tools, some more lights. But then we found this box. Now, don't get fooled with this box. This is a fishing rail, which I found fishing rails in here that are worth like $200. So we're definitely putting that one in the bag. So what we found so far is this smart door lock, which is worth $99, saving $84 if we were to buy it new. This Apple Watch band, just the band, not worth buying. This tripod, which is worth $30 in Amazon. A clamp meter worth $44. This General Electric tool is worth $26. And this mystery box, which we have to open to see what's inside. And yeah, I don't know what this is. It looks like some sort of metal whiskey stones. Yeah, I don't know. We also found this office chair wheels, which is worth like $30 in Amazon. Yo, 2-pack Funko Pop. But in total, we saved around $140. But I only bought the wheels because that's the only thing I needed. So we saved $15 there, plus tax. Oh, and if you were waiting for the fishing reel, it was only worth $20. Yeah, better luck next time.